Hey guys, today we're going to be taking apart an HP Photosmart Plus B209a printer. This is the printer model right here. So I already opened this up, let this carrier to come to the middle and unplug the printer. The purpose of this video is just to show how things come off this printer. If you want to replace or get inside of your printer, I'm not going to be putting it back together. So let's just get right to it. Basic things that can come off without the screwdriver. In any case, if I haven't said that already, most of the HP inkjets and laser jets, they're going to use T10 torx screw, like a star-shaped screwdriver tip that you see here. Let me see if I can show that, but anyway, that's kind of the deal right here. Anyway, it's a star-shaped, kind of like this here, but smaller. So size 10. So this paper output tray just comes out. I'm gonna remove paper. Then this back cover, you're just gonna push it to the right and remove it. The top cover right here, is just gonna open. You're gonna push it to one side and push the other side out. Let's see here. So if we're gonna push it left, I'm gonna pull this side out first. I just don't want to break it, but should just slide out from the back. So if you're pushing to the right, you're gonna push this side out first. If you're pushing to the left, you're gonna push the left side out. And then this piece right here, the paper guide right here, you can just get a flathead screwdriver and push to the left right here. And then lift it up and then push it out right here, and that's where it goes. That slides in there. So now we're going to get the sides out, the right and the left. So there's a screw right here. There's another one here. Just take this one out as well. So after we removed the screws, we can lift this here. And as you can see here, the sides just pop out. There we go. So same thing on this side. Okay. So we got the sides out, but then we need to get into here in order to remove the top part. What we're gonna do is disconnect the cords right here, the scanner. Right there, and then this here. One of them is a scanner, another is for the control panel and the screen. So we pulled those out. Now there's a latch right there. So right here's the latch. We're gonna just press right here, and then just push towards us. I'm sorry, one thing that I missed is this needs to be taken out first in order to release the hinge right here. And to do that, you're going to open this up a little bit and just kind of put your flathead screwdriver in there and go around. Just unclamp it. And then you're going to come from the back and push it out, like so. And we can just pull it, I believe it's forward that we can push it. Go. So it just pulls back and you have access to this here. So now when we press that, the latch right here for the hinge, that should just release it. It just pops out on this side, and here it slides out from that hinge like that. And we already have the cords disconnected, so carefully just push that out, or if you just want to keep them in there, that's fine if you're just doing a repair. But in order to remove this plastic, you will need to take that off, because the screw, there's one screw right there and another one right here that holds the hinge. So we'll remove this one. It just pops out. There we go. And then this one here. Actually, I don't see one there. So basically, what I just kind of missed, you can just disconnect these cords right here. And then you're just going to lift this piece. Let's untangle it here. And then you're gonna lift this and it just pops out right there. So you don't even have to remove the top cover if you want to remove this piece. So basically the four screws that are right here are the only ones holding it. The rest is just pushed in right there. Printhead, that's pretty easy to pull out. From here we have, there's plastics here, but timing strip. Just push it to the left, unlatch it right there, and then pull it out. And then when you push it back in, make sure you put it in the right direction between the sensors there that read the strip. So this is where our board is right here. Just remove some of the plastics. And we're going to remove this screw. There's one right here that holds onto it. This front you can remove. Let's see, there's another one here. Right there. There's one hidden right there. Here we go. Just disconnect this. And I'll get to the screen and the scanner in just a minute. So here we have the board, main board for the printer. Remove this screw right here. This one. There's a screw that's right there. So there we can just disconnect the rest of the wiring here. Make sure you do it carefully. And this one unclamps right here. This one. Okay, and then we'll just lift this board and out it goes. So here's the main board for the B209a printer. So as far as the printer goes, the pickup roller is right there. To get to it, you would have to continue removing these screws right here. I'm not sure if I can get to it. I've never actually repaired this pickup roller, but if you really want to get to it, there's a way to do that. Let's see if we can do it together. Seems like it's going to be a lot of work though. So, still feels like something is holding on to it. I don't see any screws on the bottom. You can actually remove this piece of the tray right here by going down here, and then these clamps right here, they come up and that just slides out. So that's for your paper input tray. From here, it's still kind of hard to get to this part which holds the pickup roller, and it seems to me that some other screw is hidden somewhere in here. Not sure if I can get to it, but let's try. So here's this. This is where the belt motor is. Okay. Because this part just comes out right here, you can see how dirty this is. There's lots of ink gunk in here. This printer printed about 2,000 pages, and these ink absorber pads should bring it in, but it seems like there is either a leak or something, or maybe there was a lot of ink, excess ink. Let's see, it looks like none of the screws are holding it, just this mechanism for the absorber. Let's remove that. Some tubing. I'm just gonna cut it. I'm not gonna fix that, but what I wanted to show you is that it's really hard to get to that pickup roller. So that's where it's at. It sits right here. Let's see if we can actually remove it. Got some ink on my hands. So let's see this. So that comes out. There's this. It's actually not that easy to put it back together. And there's a spring right here, and this should probably move to one of the sides. Well, anyway, it seems like it's not even easy at this point. But yeah, there it is. You just move it to the right and just release it. So this is the pickup roller for B210a printer, maybe some other similar models. Okay, let me remove this and I'll show you how to remove the scanner and the control panel. Okay, so we're going to remove this panel right here. It just pulls off. Very simple. There's a screw right here that holds the control panel. It should just this point it should just go up. And I'll just go ahead and remove the rest of the screws that we have here. These two. So that control panel just removes with the power button, and that's where it connects. And there's a couple screws right there. Then we go to the bottom right here, and there's these clamps. One right here. I believe that's the one that holds the control panel. Oh, this side we forgot to remove. So, just like the other one we did earlier at the beginning of the video, just slides over like that. Oops. So that just comes off. And now we have access to the inside here. That's where the scanner is, and this control panel also releases here. Just disconnect it. There we go. And the scanner right here, to replace it, you're just going to disconnect it here and right there. So this is the scanner lamp for this B209a printer. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you were able to like this video and share it with your friends. Enjoyed it, and hope you enjoy your day as well. Thank you.